right, everybody, we got another nice one for you here. This is a 2008 Jeep Commander Sport 4x4. 26 edition, alloys, windows, locks, tilt, cruise, CD, luggage rack, factory trailer tow pack, and take a look at the body. No rust on this truck. The truck is very well maintained. Lots of service records, dealer maintained, drives fantastic, nice set of Goodyears all the way around on it, switch off 4x4, privacy glass, non-smoker.
Hey, it's Alan, and the new Passat is a midsize car, but it has family-size fun. And Ohio's #1 VW retailer, Ganley Westside Imports, has them in stock and on sale. Right now, you can get a 2019...
This truck's going to qualify for our 3-month, 4,500-mile service contract over the drive line. It's also going to get a guaranteed credit approval program. Fits beautiful. Great SUV to get in around $795 starting down. Lots of Jeep for the money. DashCleveland.com.